Mr. Speaker, I have, from the very outset, listened with a lot of interest to the previous orator, who has not, just like her colleagues on the other side of the House, thought that it would be proper to point the finger at the members of the opposition and to teach us our jobs. And then there is something that I keep on learning at all ages, sir. It is the ability of people to multitask. Such as herself, she has shown us that she has the ability to Photoshop photographs and use Photoshop photographs. It takes technique.
Yes.
I wonder if this is relevant to the budget speech and what he's speaking on. Also, because this is speaking on personal and of a honourable member, and also without even verifying whether such things are true or false. He's making statements in this August House. So,
honourable member, you were not here. The whole thing started not with you, not with somebody else, but with a lady, and who mentioned a few sentences, and this is what she's rebutting. I'm helping you to understand the whole context. She's been rebutting something which has been said. So continue with your main speech.
Main speech is that nowadays, Mr. Speaker, sir, in order to be at the service of the population, not only do we have to have a Minister of Finance who can write fine speeches for the budget debate, but we also have to have people who are experts at Photoshop. That shows that this is in the interest of the people to place yourself where you're not, in order to have the ability to do well, at least to have the perception that you exist.